Okay, so welcome to this question here on 2017 Ordinary Level Question C3 on surface developments. So here's the question here, where we've given the 3D graphic of a perfume bottle and its storage box, and we have to draw the given views of the box. Part B, project an end view of the box, and part C, draw one piece surface development of the box. So here is what the solution looks like, your elevation plan, end elevation, and the development is when all faces of the packaging, are folded flat onto one surface. Right, now I'll begin on doing that. So the total height is 85, 70 and 15. So I'll draw in my XY line. Width is 60. Okay, the top here is 40 wide. We'll get our center line and we'll draw in the curves now in a moment. That's 20 wide, so 10 left and right. Then 20 left and right. We can connect them together. Okay, now to get the curve here, set our compass to 60. Now we have 2 points on the circumference, so to get to center rather, set your compass to 60, swing from one vertex in the curve and the other, and where they intersect is the center point for the arc. So we're going to set our compass to 60. We're going to swing an arc there, the bottom corner, and here, and now we've got the center point for an arc here. Okay, and now we'll do the same for this side. And so we want to swing an arc, radius 60, here. There we go. So that's the elevation of it done. And then the plan view. And then bring out the centers left and right, get the extreme generator. 35. Our hidden detail in here for the bottom. There you go. And now we're doing the end elevation, so we have to go across from plan. Up. There's your what you call it plan and elevation done. So it is, and now we're going to do the development. So we're going to take, essentially what's happening is the 3D packaging, and we're going to fold it all out until it rests flat onto one surface. And remember, on every what you call it on a development, every line is a true length. Okay. So we have the front here, front face, base, back face, and curved surfaces here. Top face, a chamfered face, same there, chamfered face, curved. Right, so we'll begin. So we can just bring over the heights of our elevation. We're going to essentially draw our elevation again. So the base we said was 60. Wide. The base was 60 wide. Center line. Here's 20 left and right of the center line, and 10 left and right of the center line. reminder to get to center again, we set our compass to 60. Swing an arc from the 2 points on the circumference of the arc, and then the same the other side. Swing an arc here, radius 60 and radius 60 here. So there we go. Now you can call that the back face either. Doesn't, you get the same there. No, I label that the front. That'll be like they were going that way. And you could call that the back face and this the front face when it's done. Doesn't make a difference. Right. The base then, okay, is a true length in plan because this line here rather is a true length in plan because it projects as a point in elevation. So that is 35 millimeters. So there's our base. Now let's look at doing our curved surface here, folding that down. So we need to get points on our curved surface. Right, there's our center line. Now you could go and divide it into 60-30 if you wanted. That's not enough room, so we'll divide the top half of it there. So that's at 30 degrees. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to do another one. It's going to go up 15 there millimeters. Join there. Right. I'm going to take my compass now. I'm going to take that length with my compass. Step it along here. The next one. Then the bottom. So here's the one of the curved surfaces folded flat, and then we can do the same on the left here now. So for speed you could just take middle there, rotate each of them over. Now I have to put these two surfaces down. So this one, and then I'll have the top to do. So this is a true length in elevation because it's parallel to the XY line in plan. So I can take this distance here with my compass, mark it there. take distance, mark it there, and then take this distance here and mark it there. Okay, that's a heavy line there. That's the top surface I've done. Now, just have to repeat this one here. So the fastest way to do that is just to mirror it down. Okay, to get it done again, just mirror it down. So I could bisect that line by taking my compass, set it to any length. It's just the elevation drawn upside down, really. I'm just mirroring that down. And then the two center points, and then we're done. And they're there. So the radius of the compass is 60. There we go, that's the development done. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.